Magandang gabi, mga Gilas fans. Katatapos lang ng laro ng Gilas Pilipinas laban sa Hong Kong, no? At tinambakan natin ang Hong Kong sa score na 93-54. Ang best player ng laro is si Carl Tamayo with 16 points and 5 rebounds on 50% field goal percentage. With Junmar adding 14 points with 8 rebounds at 70% field goal percentage. Basically sa bago pa naman magsimula ang laro, talagang inaasahan at sinasabi naman talaga na mananalo ang Gilas Pilipinas. Ang pustahan nga dito is plus 40 nga daw, no? Plus 40. Kung tumaya kayo sa plus 40, talo kayo kasi lamang ng Gilas sa Hong Kong is 39 points lang, no? So, kidding aside, we sweep the second round at we are now at 4-0 at we move on to the FIBA Cup already, no? We qualified to the FIBA Cup kasi itong laro na to is a FIBA Cup qualifiers. At meron pang third window this coming February. Yun naman is away games, no? Maglalaban, kakalabanin ng Gilas Pilipinas ang New Zealand sa home nila at ang Chinese Taipei, no? So these are away games for Gilas Pilipinas. So talagang need ng Gilas manalo ngayon at hoping na ma-sweep nila ang window at para makuha kasi na-sweep nila yung first window eh. So ngayon ang standing nila sa kanilang bracket is 4-0. So they already qualified sa FIBA Asia Cup, no, sa FIBA Asia Cup. So yun naman is yung mga lahat ng mga nag-qualify sa different brackets. So may laro pa tomorrow, no, si New Zealand against kay sino ba? New Zealand and Hong Kong ata maglalaban, no. So yun, it was the game was out-hustled, out-strategized, out-maneuvered by Gilas. So especially na kumanan ito sa total team effort ng Gilas kasi ang scoring was spread all over, no. At ang Hong Kong naman just relying on their outside shot. They have a good shooters, but Gilas is just overpowering them or just too much for them, no. Gilas is too much for them. So as expected, we won over Hong Kong and we won as well against New Zealand the last time around. So we are 4-0. So congratulations to Gilas Pilipinas at just train hard, no, kasi sa February game, nag-aabang na ang New Zealand kasi gusto nila bumawi. Babawian daw ang Gilas at I think maglalaro si Adams, no? Si Steven Adams yung naglalaro ngayon sa NBA. Parang hinamon niya si Kai Soto. So, I think Kai is up to the challenge. So, let's hope and pray na we'll have a good matchup there. We'll have a good play. And will win against New Zealand and against Chinese Taipei. But again, the big picture is we're already into the FIBA Asia Cup, no? We qualified already into the FIBA Asia Cup. So, job well done, Gilas Pilipinas. We're proud of you. Okay, so that's it for me. Gilas won 93-54, a 39-point winning margin. So, laban Pilipinas, Gilas Pilipinas, laban Puso. That's it for me. Ciao. Let's nick out.